Hi guys, welcome to this video. I'm Prashant, I'm the founder of Word Pandit, and I'm bringing this series of videos to you wherein I explain previous year CAT RC questions. Here we've got a CAT 2018 RC question and we are going to go through its video solution. Before you do that, please go through the passage analysis video. That's going to help you better understand this passage. Now, what does this particular question specifically talk about? In the first paragraph, the author laments the fact. So when you lament something, you express your grief over something. The author is pointing out a sorry fact in the passage. He's expressing his grief about something. What is he pointing out to? Let's go through the context. The context very specifically states here, between the old imperialist memorial, which is referring to the India Gate, and the proposed nationalist one, the new one that is going to be built, India's contribution to the Second World War is airbrushed out of existence. To airbrush something is to conceal something, to conceal it with a coat of paint, to basically hide something or ignore something. So what is being ignored? India's contribution to the Second World War. Now, which is the option which is highlighting this sentiment? That is option number A. There is no recognition of the Indian soldiers who served in the Second World War. India's contribution to the Second World War is being airbrushed or ignored. The new war memorial will be built right next to the India Gate. This is not a sorry fact. India lost thousands of human lives during the Second World War. Again, not the sorry fact. The sorry fact is that there is no recognition of Indian soldiers. Funds will be wasted on another war memorial when we already have the India Gate Memorial. Again, not mentioned by the passage. B, C, D, easy to rule out options. There is only option number A, which is close to the context of the passage. Hence, the easy to identify answer in the given case. Hopefully, so you're clear with the question now. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, happy learning.